All right, it is Advent of Code, day 16. I am once again doing this from a Starbucks. I have prepared a bit of boilerplate code here. I felt like we haven't used Dijkstra's yet in AOC, so I wanted to have that written up. But yeah, here we go. Day 16. Okay, it is a grid. Mirrors and splitters. Beam enters, okay. Okay. If the beam, the number of distinct directions is shown instead, whether an tile's energized or not. Okay, it has a beam going through, it's energized, or the tile's not energized. Okay, so it's just a grid. I don't think I'm gonna need this. And then I do want the grid. And where do we start from? Enters in the top left corner. Okay, I think what we do, if we split, what do we do? If it counters the flat side, then it's split into two directions. Oh, okay. So I think we'll just do like a BFS. Oops. It's Q. So if we have a thing, so we should have a thing and then a direction heading to the right. Okay, so first we'll do this, and then the direction will be this. It's going to be, in this case, 0, 1 is the direction. So let me just so I can move more complete. This is going to be dxdy, dxdy, and then I guess once the beam enters, okay, so now we should check if GCX, first of all, do is if GCX CY is equal to this, then this is the easy case. CX is DX, is DY, DX DY. Doesn't change. Sometimes I wonder if that was a waste of time. Okay, if it's equal to a okay, or if it's a splitter that is in the same direction as we're going. If we're going in that direction, then vertical splitters do nothing. If we're going in this direction, then these are the same mirror splitters. These are the splitters that will actually cause the split. Those. So, or, dxdy, let's do R is equal to same split dxdy. In that case, we still do nothing. If R is diff split dxdy, then here we need to split. And what we do here, there are just if dx is 0, so there's going to be two, the new ders are equal to 1, 0 and make it 1, 0. If dx was equal to 0, else there are these ders. Yeah, okay. These are the new directions, and then I think what we do is board x to y and dx and dy in enders x and y, c plus dx plus dy, and then q dot append. Yeah, let's just do it like this. We'll do it when we pop it. So if we get out of range, we just like do nothing. So this should eventually become empty. Q dot append and x and y and dx and dy. Okay, I'm trying to be very careful here with my variable naming. Don't want to accidentally put the wrong thing in here. Okay, and then otherwise it must just be like a reflector. So now the question is, what does a reflector do? I don't really just want to hard code this, but maybe I should. I think I might just hard code it. Okay, so let's do if r is equal to this. We're going. This is going to be so slow. If we're going in this direction, we hit this, then dx and dy is -1, 0. Right? So if we're going to the right, we hit this, and now we should go up. If we were this is just like reflection, this should be easy, right? 0, 1. If we were going left, now we need to go down. Oops, typo. Bad typo, okay. I'm just trying to do symmetry, trying to read this off without having to think too much. Okay. So then we have that, and then we want similar logic here. We're going this way, and we hit one of those. Now we need to go down. This is like the worst possible way to write this. It's so error prone. Okay, if we were going left, right? Yes, left, and we hit one of those mirrors, then we need to go up. It should just be those. Okay, and then once we have this, then y, and x and y, and dx and dy. I think we just have everything now. And what's the actual answer? Number of energized cells should be hopefully. So whenever we see a value, we add a value. What's the line of Q? Okay, that's problematic. Do we get an infinite loop? Yeah, let's do... How can we get an infinite loop? Oh, obviously we have splitters. Of course we can get infinite loops. Okay, so... We also need to do this. Okay, there we go. Please don't be off by 1. Oh. This is annoying. This is like extremely error prone what I've written here. Maybe I'll just write this. Change. Yeah, that doesn't change. Yeah, I'm answering the right question. Maybe it's something wrong. We only ever do this here, so oopsies, don't need that. I guess I'll try the sample input, although I don't know what I expect to learn from this. 26, that's way too cute, okay. Well, I can work with this. You're wrong. Oh. I think this is what I want. Okay, so clearly something's going on here. So I can read this. Input comes in there, it splits that way, splits that way, splits that way again, bounces up, bounces to the right is what it should do. Why did it not? How many tiles did it go? Went over 5. So that's 1. Wait. What? Did it not? Dx CX plus dx and dy. Diff split dx dy. So we're going down. That's 1, 0. 1, 0, the diff split is that. So we should have hit it, like, we should have hit this one, right? But we did not. Or we didn't split there. Oh man. I have just written something awful here. Let me bounce it these 2 ways. We should be hitting that only 3 times though. If dx 0, 1, 6, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1. Am I doing something very wrong here? Okay, well, whatever. I clearly can't count. That's besides the point. So we see that. Why? List R, lend. Oh no, my grid is not parsing properly. What? Pardon. That's not. What the? Hello? Is it double length? It's clearly a new line here, right? I need to do this. Should not make a difference. What the heck? Oh my god. It's silly. It's interpreting those as like not new lines. Okay. Why did I do that? I just need to do this instead. Okay, that looks more correct now. And it's getting 47, so there's 1 extra one. That took way too long to debug. It's crazy. Not including the first one? This looks the same to me. Should I just subtract 1 from my actual answer? I think I should for now, just to see. Maybe I've missed something where you don't count the first tile. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, that's silly. Beam starting anytime on the top row, anytime on the bottom row. Okay. Um, solve for what, like the start. And the start is just going to be, oops, let's write it up here. Start. I'm still really confused. We don't consider the first paths that are reflected or split in it. I'm a little scared of doing this, but I guess we'll just do it for now. It's so weird. Okay, well anyways. Let's do 0, and then this is going to be 0, 1. Is that right? Yes. And then we could also do this 1. And then this die. There's a number. Please don't be off by 1 again. Okay, rank 160. Okay, well, I didn't make leaderboard neither part. It's a little sad. Oh man, I still do not understand. I want to go back and figure that out. Why I had an off by 1 on the counting. It's like the start tile should be energized, right? I bet this is the line someone input that I missed. 46. Huh. Back to sample input? So I did wrong. That's part 2. This was 51. With this again. Okay, what I'd like to do is, for starters, let's return en, and then it's fine. So initially it's 0, 1, right? This direction it's going. Oopsies. Okay. This is 47. So what's in here that's not in there? I don't have anything out of bounds, do I? Oops. Now the question is, so clearly I have something that's not in this range, right? Oh my god. That was incredibly dumb. It's because I do this. I needed to do this. And then I can get. Oh my god. That is a really silly bug. Okay, and part one is solve. Start 0, 0, and then go to the right. And then part two is this. Oops. 45, 50. Ooh, what? Oh, oops, gotta get rid of that. 46, 51. Yep, that's correct. And on the real input. 98. And 8, 3, 2, 5. Yeah, okay. Oh, that was a really nasty bug. Man. How much did I miss leaderboard by? Yeah, I can't even blame this one on reading the problem because it was purely a bug that I wrote. That's really sad. Let's see, it was 11:36 and 15:30. 3 minutes and a little under 2 minutes. Man, tough day for me. Cool. Well, yeah, that is, I don't know. I guess as far as explaining today, it's like, I don't know, this feels like a similar day to some previous days we've done. I'm trying to remember which ones, but maybe kind of like this one. What was this one again? This was mirrors. What was... Oh, that was just like reflecting. Yeah, I guess it was a little different than all those days. But, man. Yeah, I don't know. Today was kind of I guess the fact this is a BFS is like a little different. Didn't really have to be a BFS. It could be any kind of... well... Yeah, I mean, I guess you could have done this with something else, but I feel like it makes the most sense naturally to, like, explore out from this. And the fact that we see a split, you want to, like... Or not the split, but... you see a split like this, you want to, like, expand in two different frontiers. This feels very, like, BFS-like. But yeah, that is all I have for day 16. See you tomorrow.